Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to do some more testing on the Pandora game 3D. So if you missed out the review, don't forget to check it out. I make one full playlist of this product with testing, reviews and all the other stuff you need to know about it. Because this thing is the brand new version from a friend from China. Most of these systems come with a rip-off PlayStation 2 controller. A little bit flimsy controller, but it works. We can plug it into the USB connection and use this thing like a game console. So, if you're curious, stay tuned, grab something to drink and enjoy the show. Alright, system is powered on and let's play some games. Alright, so far so good. I just want to point out, you can already see it here on the top. It is possible to play with two players with the Pandora game 3D. Just want to point out, I did try it in the main review, not going to try it in this extended testing, I'm just going to test some games. So, alright. Just wanted to show you the loading times. As you can see, they're very quick.
Round one.
You can hear there's still a little bit of hiccups here and there, but it's a very decent frame rate.
Ready for the next battle. Round one. Fight.
You can see over here that it is not emulated perfectly. You can see a little line here in the screen itself. And there is quite some differences in games, because Tekken 6 and 5 were pretty loud and this thing is almost 20% of the maximum volume. And it didn't change anything, so it's a little bit strange. For some weird reason, it sees my controller like controller 2. Don't ask me why, I don't know. I just booted up the game. Right, time for some WWF, people.
See this matchup. Going to the
I have
ledge.
no clue how it works.
He's just hammering his opponent tonight. Just drilled him. He just drilled him. Takes his breath away.
Hulk Hogan really looks like the freaking Hulk here. Look, man.
Gets up and gets ready. He's just plain fighting. That's the kind of hit that can end a career. Heaven or hell? One, strongest will be chosen. Wallow in despair.
I'm not afraid anymore.
Battle 1. Fight. Battle 2. Fight. Take this. Battle 3. Fight.
So that concludes this testing video. And what you can see is that the PSP is running quite fine. I must say it is not perfect in many ways. For example, I see glitches, I see some little drops in frames, and you can hear it on the video. But still, it's a big improvement if you look at the previous model, for example the Pandora Key 7. This is what you're going to get. If you have any questions, you can always leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell of course, for more awesome Wicked content. And for gameplay, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.